I'm making a video about a Facebook campaign duplication. All right, so I've already done a little bit of this stuff. So we're going to go to campaigns and we're going to make duplicates of this campaign. All right, but we're going to make them for the suburbs. So this one I just made is LG Suburbs Redlick Bucks, and we're going to make a different campaign for each county. All right. So this is how the structure is going to look. Once it's duplicated, and you can just edit this Bucks one to do the first one. We're going to click on that. In Evernote, if you type in zip to my search bar, it'll pop up with Bucks zip codes to mark it in, Montgomery County zip codes to mark it in, Chester County, and Delaware County. So here is all this, right? So I'm gonna take you through the one I just did for Chalfont, all right? And that's what 18914 is. But you're going to make a campaign for Bucks, a campaign for Montgomery, a campaign for Chester, and a campaign for Delaware County using all these zip codes as ad sets, okay? So here, let's go back to the campaigns, and then name them identical to this, but just like Chester County in all caps, or Delaware County, so forth. So we're going to click. So here, this campaign is all just like zip codes in Philly. So we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it in the counties. So here's the ad I just made for Chalfont. Or the first thing that we got to do is we got to edit. Click. So we edit the name. So, I'm going to recall this Chalfont 18914. And the way we figure out what the town name is we come over here to Google and we type in 18914. Click. So you see it says Chalfont right there. We want to click and then zoom in a little bit just to make sure we're getting the biggest town there. In the county, sometimes there's like 15 towns in a zip code, you know what I mean? So, bang. Chalfont's biggest one. That's good enough. And also, like, the zip code pops up as Chalfont in the internet, so that's cool. So Chalfont 18914. We're going to come down here, and when you're editing each one of these ad sets, you gotta change the zip code. So I'm just gonna do this one. So when we're editing this to fit ours, we're just gonna come down here and edit each one. The copy's already done, everything's already set up. This will save us some time. And we're gonna change the name. I'm gonna do this as if it was Chalfont. Chalfont 18914, and then I'm gonna delete this and not save it. So you see the zip code here, 18914. Click. Turn off 27, click. All right, 7,700 people, great. This is fine, and then you would click publish, okay? I'm just gonna delete this ad set. I don't know how to delete it. I don't know if I can delete it, actually. Yeah, delete. Okay. Delete. Dang. All right. Okay. So once we've done the ad set, then we go to the ad. So I've already done this one. So we click the edit. So we change the image to a new house. And the way you find a new house for each ad set and each zip code is you come and you type in the town name or the zip code, PA, house needs repair. And you can see I found the one that has asbestos siding and clearly needs repair. You always want to find a decent picture like this if you can. If not, use a duplicate of one that we're using on a different ad set. But we always want to find a new one for each town that looks like it needs work. So you could also say needs work. By the way, the images have to be large, right? For them to work in Facebook ads. So this one could work. Scroll down. You could also use the zip code 18914. And we're getting a lot of the same pictures, which is fine, but sometimes we'll get a couple different ones. And you just, scroll through until you find something good. This one would work too. All right. And the other important thing, and then you change the picture out. I think you know how to do that. Text, so we need to change the text. So there's 3 places in here where it'll say Philadelphia when you click edit. One's right here, so you see I changed that to Chalfont. One's right here with the zip code, we want to change that. And then one is in the headline. So we change the headline. Everything else is fine, and then you would click publish, close, and this one's ready to go. So in this campaign, change all of these to reflect these zip codes. And any ones that you have extra at the end, I know there's a shitload of zip codes in here, just delete them. All right, let me know when each county is done so I can start playing with them and using them. And let me know if you have any questions.